Hello guys and welcome back to another gift guide.
Hello and welcome back this time because I am coming back, even though it might be the first time or second time or third time, whenever you
stop. When you see the stocking filler gift guide you'll know what Mike's talking about. This is my husband, in case you haven't met him before, Joker. So today we are talking about what to buy the men in your life. We have also done many other gift guides. If this is the first one that you're watching, I've done one for her under £50, a luxury one for her over £50, stocking fillers, beauty, and then we're also going to be doing kids and an independent brand one. So there are a lot of gift guides this year. Today we are talking about gifts for him over £20.
I might have gone a little over £20.
Yeah, but there's a few things in there that are a little under. Right, Mike can start because I always start. I feel like.
Get ready.
Also, if you haven't already seen or you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'm giving away loads of this stuff.
Many prizes. Not a lot of prizes. My ones on here though, because I want those.
Okay.
So I'm going to start with my first one, which is a mini Theragun. Now last year we put the Theragun in, if I remember rightly.
Yes, we did.
But the Theragun is something, so when I've been doing a lot of running with a marathon or cycling or any form of exercise, and even Fleur
breaking yourself.
Yes. That is a really awesome bit of kit. Now this little mini Theragun we've used one recently is awesome because it's such a handy little size, great for travelling if you're going somewhere and you're off to like, you know, a marathon or a race that's somewhere different, or you have a sore back and you're at work and you just want a little Theragun for work. But they are awesome. They're literally, it's like having your own personal masseuse with you 24/7, and even
I feel like this is also more friendly as a massager rather than like full-on muscle therapy.
Oh, I bet it'll still sting.
Yeah, if you put it.
If you really get it stuck in there, it'll sort it out.
All right. It's also a much more accessible price point. It's still 175, but the original Theragun is like 500, so yeah. So I think a really good mid-range if you're a bit of a sports fanatic in your family that needs massaging. Whilst we're on the subject of tech, Apple have actually just dropped these. I really want this as well. This is the HomePod Mini, which is basically Apple's answer to the Alexa. But it is called the Alexa, isn't it?
Amazon Dot.
The Alexa Dot.
Is the little
Alexa's the person, but Siri is the Apple one. But it's called an Alexa, isn't it? Anyway.
I mean, I'm not really Alexa mad, so I don't know.
Yeah, it is. But I am more inclined to go with. We had an Alexa once, and then we stopped using it when we moved.
That's just so sexy to look at. As a speaker.
It's Apple, of course. It's sexy, but
look at the top.
When you have, I mean. It's just very me, isn't it? When you have all Apple devices, I feel like it very much works like more seamlessly when you're trying to like integrate it all, if you get what I mean. They actually, I didn't realise Apple launched the big version of this last year. I completely missed it, but they've literally, I ordered this on the day it came out and it arrived today. They are £100. This is the white one, so it also comes in black. I think that would be a really good gift.
It is awesome.
Yeah, and if you want to win this, plus one of the new iPhones, plus one of the new Apple Watches, then I'm giving it away on my Instagram, so
stay tuned.
Yeah.
I'm going next.
He's not prepared. He's not prepared, you see.
Sorry, I might have just hit the camera there. Sorry guys, might have made it wobble. My next gift guide. Now
Your next gift guide?
Next gift guide for my gift guide. This is my buddy Sam, who actually did the very first men's gift guide.
Comment below if you watched the one with Sam. If you've been here for that long.
We went to Kent this year on a little staycation, as everyone's staycationing these days, as we can't fly on a plane anyway. And
well, we could. We just didn't get on it and book the flights, did we? Like everyone else did. Everyone went to Mykonos. I was like, why didn't we book flights to Mykonos?
I've been work related, sorry. But basically, we were out chilling on the beach and he had these sliders. And I was like, why would you wear sliders? I then put them on and I went, oh my God, they're the comfiest things ever.
But, okay, so they're the Adidas plain sliders, they are a special version of them. Yeah. They're the comfort ones, which are different.
So they've got like this little comfy snuggly bit here, which is
they are a lot softer. So for Mike's birthday, I bought him the original ones and he was like, no,
they are not the same as Sam's.
we had to send them back and buy the squishy comfort ones, which are a bit more expensive. They're £30, but they are
worth
a lot softer.
Every penny.
Right, I'm going niche with my next gift. This is my personal one. This is my bed of nails. And I think if you know somebody very stressed this Christmas that you haven't got a clue what to buy them, and they like self-inflicted pain, no, I'm joking, So it is literally, as the name would suggest, a bed of nails. You lie on it. You can either lie on it in a thin t-shirt or you can lie on it naked.
It gives a most amazing sensation when you put, like, when you
it doesn't hurt, does it? Because a lot of people are like, why would you want to do that? But genuinely,
it's literally like, you're literally like, oh, it's so good.
It is the whole concept behind it, and it's a very like yogi,
Yogi Bear or yoga?
Yoga, like yogi. Not Yogi Bear, although Yogi Bear might use one. Essentially, it increases blood flow, so it's supposed to be good for detoxifying, relaxing, healing, blah, 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 blah. But whether or not that is true, I don't know, but it is damn relaxing. Like, if you get in a hot bath and then lie on this afterwards in the nud for like 10 minutes, you'll literally be like, I fell asleep on this once.
Had a bit of an interesting back after it, but you know.
It's literally, it sounds weird, but yeah, you can get these on Cult Beauty. There's probably a discount going on at the moment because of Black Friday. I know they were going to do a massive, I think it's probably like 30 or 40%. So this is the recycled one, which is slightly more expensive, but they do ones that are in like polyester. This is like natural fibre.
But you should
that are about
recycled.
£60, I think.
Think of the planet.
Yeah, well.
Think of the
anyway,
baby
so
dolphins.
that is the bed of nails. I think that'd be a cool present, just saying.
So
next up, a fragrance.
A fragrance.
We usually pick a fragrance each, but this year.
Just
did
so
one.
This is one that Fleur got me, and I'm gonna try and get the. Is it?
I think it's Yuja, but it's spelled Yuja.
I was gonna say Yuja, but
this is limited edition. But last time I checked, it was still in stock.
This is Rockstar. So I am a big fan of this. This is actually taken over from quite a few of my fragrances that I use. I still have my old trusty favourites, but this, as you can see, from a very short period, has had quite a lot of abuse. It
smells so good. It's like citrusy, but still, it's definitely unisex. So I've got something in my eye.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does smell so good. I sometimes wear that, to be fair.
Hence why it smells so good. Really good. She steals it. But it is really good, and I must admit, probably my favourite German fragrance.
It's so good. I want them to bring that out as a like permanent collection because it deserves it. So last but not least, this is my final.
Last?
No, yeah, this is my last one. That's
I've got two.
Have you? Which is your other one?
Down here. I've got more than other ones.
Oh, you have.
No,
I've got some imaginary. I've got more. Sorry,
what are you talking about?
I was thinking it was short. Mine just aren't here. Anyway, the next one.
Oh yeah, that one again.
It's really heavy. This is a Nespresso Vertuo Next. And before you think, like, hang on, everyone knows about Nespresso, blah, blah, blah. This is actually the Vertuo capsules for a start, which we switched to this year.
Yeah.
As a disclaimer, I am an Nespresso ambassador, but this isn't a paid thing. I just genuinely, making this switch was awesome because the original Nespresso capsules I found, they either give you a really nice espresso shot or a bit of a watered down longer coffee. Like they're basically made for espresso and then for adding the espresso to the milk and whatever, and they're a bit more high maintenance if you drink more like different kinds of coffee and you don't just want that pure espresso coffee.
Yeah.
These allow you to essentially make loads of different long drinks with one machine, and the capsules are actually really clever. They did pumpkin spice latte for autumn. It might be sold out, but check the website because it's amazing. Their Christmas ones are also really good. They're like pecan and amaretto. But essentially, like, you can do espresso, double espresso, Gran Lungo, coffee mug, or alto, which is like a really, really long one. And the way the machine works, it reads the barcode on the capsule and it tells it how fast to spin, how much water to run through, all that. Very, very clever. And the Next machine, not only does it look really sexy, like genuinely, I love the way this machine looks, but the actual machine itself is made out of over 50% recycled plastic. I bet you didn't know this actually.
No, I didn't.
And all of this packaging.
Glad I bought it even more.
So it's 90, yeah, you bought one for work, didn't you?
I did.
So all of the actual packaging that it comes in is 95% recycled and 100% recyclable. So that they're really making changes in the way that they're making their machines, which I think is so impressive. And it's also an affordable price point and it looks really nice.
And it makes super tasty coffee.
It makes super tasty coffee. Mike's got one at work, I've got one at home. Or we've got one at home. And although I mostly use it because you're always at work. And I have 2 of these to give away over on my Instagram.
Very exciting.
Soon. Okay.
So the next one. Oh, 1 second. Just bear with me. Oh, 1001. Oh, 1002. Oh,
I think
1003.
I don't think that. I think someone else has done that joke before.
Deep burn. Oh, sorry. So next one is
Let's
weird.
just come back out of 2005 for a minute.
Oh, don't be
When
so
was
mean.
Anchorman?
I think it's earlier.
I think 2005 might be a good guess. Anyway,
It's a
let's
solid
not go
guess.
down. Let's not go down that route.
This is a section of these vapes.
I was going to bring the whole
I
weight
think you
up, and
should
it
have
was
done.
so heavy.
It's quite heavy.
It would have taken like 3 trips.
But this is basically an 8 kg. But where this is an amazing bit of kit is you have 20 kgs worth of weights, and you twist the handle.
I feel like this is a thing that a lot of people will have seen.
Will have seen, but just not thought about using it or buying it because it's quite expensive for one weight. But the thing is, you've got 20 weights in one, and you twist it to every 2 kg it goes up. Now,
so essentially, these are amazing for a home gym, which I know a lot of people.
Lockdown fitness regime.
Yeah.
I've been pumping the iron, as you
by
can
the
see.
time this video goes up, lockdown's going to be over soon. But
yeah, but still COVID
I think,
secure working
if
out.
you have a gym at home, this is like the answer to not taking up so much space. And they think they go up to like really, really expensive, but the cheaper ones you can get from £60 per weight.
And
so it depends if you need to, depends how you like to do your weights. But
and these ones weren't
£120 for a set.
stupidly dear. Like they weren't like top range. But
we use them all the time, don't we?
they're epic. Literally, I don't use any of the weights anymore.
Yeah.
So really recommend these.
So my next one, you're gonna have to. I'm gonna insert a picture because I don't have it.
One second,
It's massive.
I'm
just
I'm
picture
imagining
it in your mind.
It is.
It is.
Oh wow, what a present!
Shush. It is an Ooni gas-powered pizza oven.
Can I just point out, this was mine and Jack's idea.
Yes, okay. I get help from boys when I do these gift guides, so it's not actually
what a gift guide
that
present
boys
for
don't
you.
want. They're
Why didn't we get one?
£250
So we can cook pizzas.
because you've got an actual pizza oven and you do not need a gas one.
Yeah, but we could have tried it. See if it compared.
So I think that's a good option if you are. It's obviously like a pricey option, but if you're looking for something to buy your other half.
Dan's got something similar, hasn't he?
Yeah, he does. My brother-in-law's got something like that. It allows you to like make amazing pizza at home. You can also cook other things in it, and I feel like it would be a good present for someone who loves to cook.
It's like if you like outdoor cooking. I think, can you cook in indoor as well?
I don't know actually.
Sure.
I don't know that much about them, but they're really cool.
But I think it's one thing, if you love like barbecue and you love outdoor cooking, to like add to your barbecuing collection, because even if you've got like a green egg, cooking pizza in a green egg is quite hard to get the heat, whereas this you can get the heat quite quickly and quite high.
Yeah.
So it does cook really good pizzas, and I think there is nothing more fun than eating a pizza.
Making your own pizza at home is really fun as well. Making the dough, I think, puts people off, but it's actually really easy.
Right.
This is Mike's last present.
This is the jackpot, and this is not
every year.
This is mine.
This is outrageous.
This is mine. This is.
Alright, you'll just have to wait and see what Santa brings you, won't you?
I tell you what, if Santa doesn't bring this, I'm going to be gutted. And someone's going to be kicked out of the house.
I don't think Santa would fit it in your stocking. It's too heavy.
Year, well, maybe not stocking, but just anywhere. But last year,
you had a Land Rover,
I got a Land Rover, and it was made out of Lego, and it was awesome. I had hours of fun chilling out over Christmas. This year,
you're losing the element of surprise because it's too big to not fit in.
A Lamborghini made out of Lego and your halo going over the wheel.
Just angle it like that.
That's how awesome is that? I mean,
it's like super subtle. It's got gold wheels.
Oh, it's so cool. I mean, how could you not want to build this? It's like 42,115. Oh no, 3,696 pieces.
He's reading it upside down. Just to clarify why that was so difficult.
Sorry.
But also, just to clarify, Mike is 35 years old. And the ad for this was an actual grown man.
Can I just point out,
it's 18 plus.
Yeah, boy.
Why couldn't a 16-year-old do this?
No,
18 plus.
18 plus. It's X-rated. This is just awesome. And generally,
ridiculous.
I think that
it's so ridiculously expensive. It's nearly £300, like £240.
But just think of the hours of fun. Like, I could go away cycling for hours, I could go running for hours. No, I could stay home with you and build Lego. It's like playing Cluedo, but just you can't play as well.
The stuff you come out with, sometimes I'm just like... I'm just
going to leave it here because it's...
My last gift, my leg's going numb, I'm saying funny. My last gift is another imaginary one. And it's one that I decided on.
Thinking about it?
Oh my...
I
decided on. And I then was like, oh, hang on a minute. Because they dominate YouTube with ads. So, like, you will have seen and heard about this company. And there'll be some guesses now at this point. If you watch a lot of YouTube videos. Masterclass advertise a lot, but it's something that our friend Jack is actually subscribed to through work, and so we've watched a few of the masterclasses with him, which you're probably not supposed to do, but we have. And it's actually amazing. Basically, it's a subscription service. I think it's about £170 for the year, so it's a good thing to buy somebody that's like a membership for the whole year. But it is essentially a masterclass from people that are absolute top in their field. Like, they've got outrageously famous and well qualified people teaching you everything from everything. Literally cooking to interior design to finance to like anything you could possibly think of, and it's got like the most famous people in the world teaching you. It's like, it's pretty amazing, and I feel like it's one of those things they've over advertised, and I feel like it's kind of ruined their
funny enough for me, it's not over
but you don't watch YouTube, whereas the people that I spoke to about this list that watch YouTube were like, what, the company that like advertises every 2 seconds? And I was like, no, but it's actually genuinely good if you watch it. So
someone that doesn't watch YouTube will love it.
Yeah. But it's a good thing, like, if you're buying for like your dad. Dads are so hard to buy for. Something that you could like club together. So like, if you've got siblings, you can like club together and get it for your dad for like the year. I think that would be such a cool thing to do.
Yeah.
Anyway. That is it for our what to buy him gift guide. I nailed it. Because the only input Mike had was the Lamborghini.
Whoa, the Lamborghini,
no, okay, you
the weights, the fragrance, the sliders, the Theragun, the mini iPod, the pizza oven, everything.
That was all Jack. You used to have a lot of input into the gift guides.
I don't have time anymore. Too much of a man about town, you see.
Basically, it's all the time. Anyway, see you very soon in the next gift guide, I hope. I hope you're all well and safe, and sending you lots of love.
Safe. Goodbye.
Bye.